Welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen, and today I have my lovely daughters Sangeetha and LAKSHMI with me.
Hey!
And we're all going to show you our favourite mocktails. So if you want a healthy party drink this holiday season, then we have some great recipes for you to try, which are actually, obviously they're vegan, they're non-alcoholic, and they're loaded with nutrients. So you can kick back and relax and enjoy and know you're getting something healthy and good into your body at the same time.
Yeah.
Well, what's your favourite mocktail, LAKSHMI?
Well, as some of you may or may not know, I don't really drink, so that's why we're doing mocktails. So I love mocktails because you get that really awesome fruity burst of awesome flavor. And my favorite is literally anything with lychee, but today we're going to do another one that I like, which is a strawberry daiquiri.
Yes, and you could put lychees in this, but unfortunately I wasn't able to find any. So we're not going to put in any today. But we're obviously going to put in strawberries and even a little bit of watermelon as well.
I love watermelon.
Yeah, and that of course is a really nice natural sweetness.
Yeah.
So LAKSHMI, would you like to show everyone how to make the strawberry
Let's get ready
daiquiri
for the holidays and make this mocktail!
So let's get started.
Yes. So what are we doing?
Well, we have strawberries, so we're going to actually blend it all first.
I love me some strawberries.
So into the blender.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Buy strawberries.
And watermelon, which it's not, you don't have to, but you can put watermelon if you want to.
Yes, you know I love me some watermelon.
Oh, we actually need some lime juice.
Oh, yeah.
So we got some limes over here.
Some fresh limes.
Cut one.
Cut it.
And squeeze a bit of lime juice into that.
How much?
You don't need a lot, it just gives it a bit of a kick.
Squish it in.
I would say that that's fine as it is, but if you prefer a slightly sweeter drink, you can add a little bit of maple syrup, but that's up to you.
Okay.
But I personally wouldn't add it, but you can if you wish.
Just a dab of sweetness and goodness for the holidays.
Yeah, don't overdo it though.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it's sort of a personal taste, but I
Just
think
a little swig.
Yeah. So now we just have to blend it, really.
Okay. Look at this!
Strawberry and watermelon.
Strawberry watermelon goodness.
So all we have to do is put it in the glass and add sparkling water.
Is that it?
Yeah. Well, it's got no alcohol in it. I got something you can use to decorate the glass, which I know that you're going to like a lot. Hold that and I'll get it. So.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
a chocolate rim? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, a chocolate rim.
Are we doing like little decorations on top of it?
Well, just dip it in first. Actually, I got some ice cream to top it with too.
Ooh, okay.
So I think you just
what do we do?
Like this.
Just into it?
Yeah, and just swirl it a bit.
How much?
However you want. That should do. I think that should do.
Fabulous.
Alright. So now you've got your chocolate rim.
Yes.
You can put the strawberry liquid into the glass and top it up with sparkling water and give it a mix. Sparkling water.
No, I cannot. Oh. I may have to use my teeth.
Oh dear.
Okay, never mind.
Gotta get a man to do this job.
It's slippery. My little Beasley fingers. Thank you.
So, we'll chop it up now. And see it fizz.
Fizz and bubbler.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Fizz and
Bubbler.
bubbler.
Strawberries.
Fabulous.
Which strawberries, of course, are full of antioxidants.
Yes.
And they're a low sugar fruit as well.
Ooh.
So very good for you. For the final touch, you could put whipped coconut cream on it.
Ooh.
Or you could put your favourite vegan ice cream, maybe strawberry or vanilla. And I've actually made a vegan ice cream which is made with roasted strawberries. So we might put some of that on the top.
That sounds fabulous.
Now you could even put a little more melted chocolate and strawberry onto that if you want to, but it's totally up to you.
Yes, I do.
And to top it off, we have a beautiful pink flamingo.
Like me.
Yeah, you match.
Yes, we do.
Delicious, wasn't it?
Ready for the holidays.
Wow. Wow.
To the front.
It's really nice, isn't it? So, Sangeetha, what's your favourite mocktail?
Well, I always like very citrusy kind of flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like too sweet, but pretty sweet, I guess. But yeah, I like the tropical kind of flavors, but like the freshness as well. So I really like, you know, like mint or apple.
Yeah,
or,
yeah.
Kind of fruit or lemon.
Well, it sounds like a mojito is the one for you.
Yeah.
So, I thought we'd make a mojito and we'll just add a little twist, maybe put some mango in as well.
Well, that's my favorite fruit.
Oh, wow. Well, that's great. So what we do, we need lime juice because mojito is a lot of lime.
Okay.
And we obviously need mint because it has a lot of mint, so it's nice and fresh. And for a little extra kick, we can put in a little bit of fresh ginger as well.
Ah, I love ginger actually.
And as you know, ginger is such a great sort of a spice because it really helps to ease pain. And I know you have suffer pain quite a bit sometimes. So this might help.
Yeah.
So well, I've got a bit of fresh ginger here, bit of lime zest. So, and if you break off some mint leaves, we'll just crush these all together.
How many?
It's up to you, however minty you really like it to
Like
be.
a lot of
And mint obviously is very good for you as well. And it's another thing that helps, actually it helps digestion. And it also can ease stomach pain and cramping as well.
Perfect.
So, it's a great drink. Just try to crush it a little bit.
How do you crush the leaves
Yeah.
though? Because they're so...
Yeah, a bit hard. You could even like chop them or tear them a bit as well
Yeah,
if you
might
want.
be.
Like maybe if you tear them a bit first, because crushing them helps to release the oils and flavours from them. Now we need to squeeze some limes, so we get some nice lime juice.
This is an arm workout as well.
Yeah. Well, that's good in the holidays, keeps you healthy. A bit. Maybe a little bit more. Just cut that one. And just put a bit more. Because as you know, citrus is very high in vitamin C.
I used to think it was only oranges.
No, all citrus is good. And citrus is also really good for the skin as well. Yeah, to help you have a nice clear skin. Now is we put those two into the glass and mix them a little. Oh, actually, maybe use the pineapple.
Why?
Oh, actually, let me the screen. Yeah, and if you want to add mango cubes,
Oh yeah.
I have some of those. Just gives a little more flavour and colour. Those were frozen. It's actually good to use frozen ones because it cools it down as well.
Like from a packet?
No, it's better you get fresh ones, but it's whatever you have. Okay, you don't really need to mix that. You just need to add sparkling water now.
Already?
Yeah, just top it up with that.
When do I stop?
When it gets to the height you want it to be. Also, if you wanted it a little sweeter, you could add a little bit of maple syrup to that too. Because obviously this isn't a very sweet drink. So it's actually great because it's really refreshing because it's very low in sugar. But if you like a slightly sweeter taste, you can add a little syrup into that
Can I
too.
taste it now?
Yeah, just have a little taste and see if that's sweet enough or not.
Maybe a little bit?
Yeah, just add a little
I
bit.
can taste the ginger though.
Yeah, so it's up to you how much you want to add. And just mix it in and then taste it again, see if it needs any more. Is that better? Want a bit more?
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, because like I said, this isn't a sweet drink.
Yeah. Like I can taste the ginger and
Yeah,
stuff.
because it's got ginger and lime and mint, and none of those are very sweet. The only really sweet thing is the mango chunks. So this is probably one that needs a bit of maple syrup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, so if you want to decorate the glass, you can just cut a lime and even use some mint, extra mint if you like. And maybe a straw and an umbrella. If you want to put
No,
an
I kind
umbrella.
of did like without.
Yeah, so we won't put an umbrella.
Maybe just like.
And maybe mint leaves extra if you like. Wow, that looks good. And there you have it. You have a mango mojito. Okay, so now for my favourite mocktail, which is a Piña Colada. And that's because I absolutely love coconut cream and I love banana and pineapple. Well, I'm going to put banana in my Piña Colada because it adds a bit more flavour and nutrition and a bit more texture and makes it more like a smoothie. So if you want a drink that also doubles as a dessert, which I really love, this is a great drink to try. So we need pineapple. Obviously it's a lot better if you have fresh pineapple, but if you can't get fresh, just try to get like a tin pineapple that's not too high in sugar. So all we need to do is put some pineapple chunks into the blender. And add a little bit of the juice as well. And I'm just adding some pieces of frozen banana, which were frozen, but I'll put those in there. And now we need the coconut. So any coconut milk is fine. I've just got light coconut milk there. You can really use any that you like. Just put in about a quarter of a cup. So all we do now is just blend it till it's smooth. Okay, so that's done. And I didn't put any other sugar or maple syrup in there because obviously the pineapple and the banana are both sweet and have really good natural sugars. So we don't need to add any. And if you want to decorate the glass, I'm going to dip this in melted chocolate because obviously chocolate's my favourite thing. So we'll just dip that in there. Because it's got coconut in it, I just put a little coconut on there as well. So we have a nice coconut and chocolate rim. And then we'll just pour in the drink. Okay, now we're going to taste our delicious mocktails. So Lakshmi.
Let's see the strawberry chocolate daiquiri mocktail.
Yeah. Is that good?
Fresh, very tasty. Perfect for the hot summer holidays.
Yes. And Sangeetha, what about you?
Yeah, it's very refreshing. Really good for like the summer.
Yeah, nice on a hot day. Yeah, and well, let me taste my Piña Colada. Yeah. Oh, that is really good. If you like coconut and pineapple, you have to try this one. And as I said, adding that little bit of banana just gives it that extra kick.
This is bloody good.
Let's taste each other's. But I gotta say, pineapple and coconut is the best.
I gotta say, ginger is the best.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Strawberries and cream and chocolate. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.